हेलो। आज ज्ञान की बात में two important dimensions of answer writing, that is knowledge and wisdom. Look, knowledge refers to facts, information and understanding that you acquire through reading books, attending classes, learning from class and notes, as well as your experiences, right? It involves being aware of theories, concepts, events, data, facts, right? And knowledge is important for writing good answer, no doubt, right? In respect to UPSC answer writing, knowledge is about factual content that you need to recall while writing answer, that you need to, explain and apply in your answers, right? This includes theoretical framework, this includes history, this includes geography, polity, statistics, data, government policies, and many other informations, right? In answer, with the help of knowledge, you showcase your knowledge of facts, concepts, definitions, models, theories, etc., right? For example, suppose if you're writing any answer related to government policy governance, so knowledge here relates to provisions of policy, objective of policy, implementation of policy, its solution, I mean what consequences the policies have, right, on the people, right? So these are all aspects of knowledge, right? If I take one questions, like question related to climate change, right? So in respect to questions related to climate change, like writing answer of question related to climate change, like you will write scientific evidences, rising temperatures, scientific evidences regarding rising temperatures, Kyoto Protocol, government policies, different governments, Indian government, European government policies for controlling climate change, yes, na, etc. Right? All these are aspects of knowledge. But answer writing is not only about knowledge. Answer writing is not only about knowledge. આજકાલ majority of the toppers, emphasize too much on aggregation of knowledge. Coaching's also offerings too many booklets, of information, data, facts, reports, etc. What I believe, कि answer writing necessarily requires good answer writing, not answer writing, good answer writing necessarily, involve your wisdom, right? Just based on knowledge, you cannot, get good score. You will have to apply your wisdom, right? Wisdom goes beyond just knowledge of facts, just knowing the facts, right? It is your ability to apply knowledge effectively and make sound judgments, make effective judgments based on knowledge, experiences, values, norms, ethical considerations, etc. Wisdom involves understanding long-term consequences, right? Long-term consequences of the policies, of the actions, initiatives, government decisions, etc. Right? In respect to UPSC exam, wisdom is about synthesizing the facts that drawing some insights, right, based on those facts, presenting a balanced view, right, presenting a well-reasoned, judgments, well-reasoned arguments, right, that is sensitive to larger socio-political, ethical, and practical aspects of the problem that you are dealing with in the answers, right? Wisdom is about demonstrating the maturity in your thought, right, in your ideas, right? It is both practical and forward looking. In your answers, you should not just adhere to the facts, rather, you should also apply your wisdom to add value in your answers, right? These days, in general studies paper particularly, if you think appropriately, why majority of students are getting average score 400 to 450, not 550, not 600, not 60%, not 50% of the marks, even toppers getting less than 500, 50% of the marks in GS. So one is important thing that you will realize कि answer is very much knowledge focused, not wisdom focused. Yes ना. और एक बहाना चल रहा है आजकल कि नहीं, time is very less. One cannot afford to apply wisdom. Just mug up the facts and write the facts. So write the facts and get average score. हमेशा उसमें risk रहेगा. Below 400 गए, result से बाहर हो गए. Yes or no? तो what I suggest, apply both knowledge and wisdom. Reflect on your knowledge, apply your wisdom to write good answer. Yes ना. जैसे मैंने अभी क्वेश्चन जो आपको बताया था कि any question related to climate change, right? So with help of knowledge, like your knowledge will help you recalling scientific evidences of rising, temperatures, Kyoto Protocol, policies of the governments, है ना, etc etc. ये सब आपके knowledge matrix से आएगा. But your wisdom will help you, right, discuss ethical responsibility of developed countries to take initiatives for controlling, global warming and climate change, right? Ethical responsibility of developing countries, right? How, developing countries can collaborate, right, to balance economic growth and environmental sustainability. Yes, na. Like such levels of thinking, involves wisdom. You will have to apply your wisdom. Yes, na. As I said in the beginning, wisdom goes beyond knowing the facts. It is ability to apply your knowledge effectively and make a sound judgment based on values, norms, ethics, experiences, etc. Right? So please take care of knowledge and wisdom while writing answer. Don't let your answer be just knowledge-based answer. Rather to take competitive A's, some advantage, some extra marks, you must apply your wisdom. And those who are beginners, focus on, developing your wisdom, not just, aggregating knowledge. Yes, na? So this is all for today's ज्ञान की बात. I guess थोड़ा लंबा हो गया आज का ज्ञान की बात, but yeah, try to understand this. Good luck.